Hello everyone, my name is Javier Diaz. Today I'm going to be showcasing my Mechatronics final project. As you can see here, I've taken a fan and taped a breadboard, an Arduino, and a 9-volt battery to it. When I turn this fan on later and demonstrate, you're going to see that these LEDs start to light up at specified time intervals, which are a function of the revolutions per minute of the fan. And they're going to create a persistence of vision optical illusion, which will make it seem like there's a clock. Now we're going to take a closer look at the spinning clock. Here you can see a switch that when I actuate it, is going to start blinking the 4 LEDs. Here you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4 photoresistors that will change the brightness of the LEDs as a function of the ambient light. So now let's take a look at how it works. Now if you see, the clock is moving back and forth slightly because the weights of the components I taped onto the fan are unbalanced. However, we can see that the red light represents the 12-hour mark, the yellow, green, and blue lights represent the hour, minute, and second hands, and we can see that the clock is reading 12 hours, 15 minutes, and approximately 35 seconds at this point. There's an illusion that the blue light is moving like an analog clock every second closer to the red light. And that is my spinning clock project. Thanks for watching.